Board visible? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ready with the topic?
Yes, sir. Sir, shall I start?
Jagan, you can start. What's the topic name?
Dwarf planets and meteors.
Okay.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Jagan, and today I am going to talk about the dwarf planets and meteors in the solar system. Dwarf planets are round celestial bodies that orbit the sun and share their orbital paths with other planets or debris. Meteors are the glowing light streaks created when small rocks vaporize in Earth's atmosphere. Examples for dwarf planets are Pluto, Ceres, Eris, Makemake, and Haumea. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Next.
Sir, Adi.
Yeah, start.
Good evening, everyone. I am Adi Jagannathan. Today, I am going to talk about dwarf planets and meteors. Dwarf planets are small celestial bodies that orbit the sun just like regular planets, but they don't clear other objects from their path. Famous examples include the five dwarf planets in the solar system are Ceres, Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, and Eris. Out of these, Ceres is the smallest dwarf planet and Pluto is the largest. Ceres is the only dwarf planet inside the inner solar system, meaning it's in the asteroid belt and it's the largest object in the asteroid belt. It was also actually the first ever discovered asteroid. And all dwarf planets are not exactly planets. Though tiny, they help scientists understand how our solar system was formed. Meteors, on the other hand, are space rocks that enter Earth's atmosphere. As they burn up, they create bright streaks of light we call shooting stars. Sometimes, if they survive the fall, they land on the Earth's surface as meteoroids. Together, dwarf planets and meteors remind us that even the smallest objects in space can teach us big lessons about the universe. Thank you.
Can I ask you the question? Okay.
Yes,
Adi.
sir.
Okay. Which is the nearest dwarf planet to Earth?
To Earth, sir.
To Earth.
It's Ceres, sir.
Ceres. Okay. Ceres is because as you said, it lies in the asteroids region. It is the largest asteroid in our solar system. What is asteroids? What are asteroids?
Sir, they're rocks in space that are usually found in a belt called the asteroid belt in between Mars and Jupiter, sir.
Between Mars and Jupiter. Very good, very good. That's good. Nice. Okay. Just wait a minute. Yeah. Just wait. Okay. Right. So any others willing to talk? Jagan, Sai already spoke, and Adi. What about others? Why afraid to speak? Afraid to present? Okay. Dwarf planets. So what are dwarf planets? So these are 5 dwarf planets. They mentioned Ceres, Pluto, Eris, Makemake, and Haumea. A dwarf planet is a celestial body. What do you mean by celestial body?
Sir, it's an object in space.
What do you mean by celestial meaning? So for each and every word you are supposed to know the meaning of celestial. So celestial means what? Celestial means the universe. It is celestial. It appears in the space. Celestial body that orbits the sun. It is nearly round in shape because of its own gravity. What is the gravity of Earth? Approximately. What is the gravity of Earth? I am asking the units. Anyone knows what is the gravity of Earth? You are supposed to know. You studied. Forgot. Please memorize. Very, very important. 9.8 meter per second square. So this is very, very important thing you are supposed to memorize. 9.8 meter per second square. But it has not cleared its orbit of other objects. What is not cleared its orbit? I'll explain later. The main difference between the planet and the dwarf planet is this one. Because of this only, Pluto is declared as dwarf planet in which year? In which year Pluto is declared? 2006. By whom? By which body?
Astronomical, Astronomical Union.
Astronomical IAU. International Astronomical Union. Where is the headquarters of International Astronomical Union? Paris. Okay. A dwarf planet. What are the characteristics of dwarf planets? Okay. Someone read. Who is going to read?
Sir, Jagan, sir.
Adi.
Anyone? Jagan, read. Everyone must read. everyone of you attending the class must read from the board. So what appears on the screen, just you are supposed to read, that's all. Okay. Ready, Jagan?
A dwarf planet orbits the sun, is nearly round in shape, has not cleared the neighborhood around its orbit, is not a moon.
Okay. So what are the characteristics of dwarf planet? Must orbit the sun. What do you mean by orbit the sun? In what way they are orbiting the sun? Circular or elliptical? Circular or elliptical? Elliptical, not circular. This is circular. Elliptical means what? Elongated circle. It is nearly round in shape. Therefore, they say it is nearly round in shape, but not exactly perfectly round in shape. Has not cleared a neighborhood around its orbit. That means, so it will not allow any, it will not allow any other objects in its orbits. It has the dominant properties in the orbits, and it is not a moon. What is the definition of moon?
Sir, a moon is
One by one. Any one of Adi, tell. First you tell your name, then I'll tell, then you can speak. Okay. Don't tell. When I ask a question, you just tell your name only. Okay.
Sir, moon is an object that is pulled by the gravity of a planet.
Okay. So therefore,
planet, sir.
moon orbits the planets. So moon orbits the planets. Okay. How many moons to Earth? How many moons to Earth?
One
moon.
Only?
One.
Only one. Okay. How many planets without moons?
Sir, two.
What are they?
Mercury and Venus.
Okay. Next, who is going to read next?
Sir, Adi.
Adi, read.
The 5 official dwarf planets. Pluto, discovered in 1930, once considered the 9th planet, reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006, has 5 known moons including Charon, located in the Kuiper belt. The Kuiper belt is a vast donut-shaped region of icy bodies in the outer solar system that extends from the orbit of Neptune at 30 astronomical units or AU out to about 50 to 55 AU from the Sun.
Okay, right. I am going to explain something from this passage. So one is very important is AU. They ask in the examination, you are supposed to know. What does AU stands for?
Sir, AU is the distance between the Sun and the Earth, which is approximately 149.6 million kilometers.
Okay, you are supposed to say it is not the distance between, you are supposed to say average distance between. You can't say the distance between. Distance is not the same. It is the mean distance, average distance, because we know that there are 2 positions, perihelion and aphelion. So perihelion is the nearest to Earth, and aphelion is the farthest to Sun. So therefore, it is the mean distance, the average distance because of elliptical orbit. So the average distance between the Earth and the Sun, it is approximately, as Adi said, excellent, 149.6 million kilometer, or approximately 150 million kilometer. Okay, right. So the Kuiper belt is a vast donut shaped region, icy bodies, outer solar system that extends the orbit of Neptune. So after Neptune, which is the farthest planet?
Neptune.
Neptune is the farthest planet. So at 30 astronomical units from the Sun. Okay, right. Yes, what's your doubt?
Sir, actually, sometimes Pluto can actually come closer to the Sun than the Neptune because Pluto's orbit is not proper, sir.
That's why it is called an eccentric orbit. Therefore, that is also one of the classification to remove the status of Pluto as therefore.
Ceres, the smallest official dwarf planet, located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, the closest dwarf planet to Earth, the only dwarf planet found in the asteroid belt.
Right. What is very important? Asteroid is very. So what are asteroids? So asteroids are the objects which is revolving around the Sun between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. This is very important. Maybe you can call it as debris. Debris once the planets formed, especially the largest planet. What is the largest planet in our solar system?
Sir, Jupiter.
Jupiter. Okay. So this is the only dwarf planet found in the asteroid belt, and this is the closest to dwarf planet to our Earth. Okay. Any other? Who is going to read now? Any other? Any volunteers?
Sir,
Anyone?
Sangamitra,
Sangamitra, start.
Eris, discovered in 2005, slightly more massive than Pluto, located in the Kuiper belt beyond Neptune. Its discovery led to the redefinition of the term planet.
Okay. So after that only. So after 2005 only, they had changed the definition of the planets, because from 2006 onwards, till 2006 we had 9 planets. Now we have how many planets?
8, sir.
8
Now
planets.
we have 8 planets.
sir.
Only. Okay. Continue, Sangamitra.
Haumea has an unusual elongated shape because it rotates very rapidly. Has 2 known moons located in the Kuiper belt.
Okay. So it has 2 moons. Yes, continue.
Make, discovered in 2005, named after the creator deity of the Rapa Nui people of Easter Island, located in the Kuiper belt, has 1 known moon.
Okay. Next. Continue.
Where are dwarf planets found? Ceres, asteroid belt, between Mars and Jupiter. Pluto, Kuiper belt. Eris, Kuiper belt, far beyond Neptune. Haumea, Kuiper belt. Make, Kuiper belt.
Okay. So I told you which is the closest, which is the nearest dwarf planet to our Earth?
Ceres.
Huh?
Ceres.
Sirius. Okay. Which is the farthest dwarf planet
Eris.
from the Earth? Farthest dwarf planet from our Earth. You know?
Eris.
Okay. So still people are finding many dwarf planets. So planet orbits the sun. This is also orbits the sun. Nearly round. This is also nearly round. Has cleared its orbit of other objects, has not cleared. So this is a major difference. So what is has cleared its orbits of other objects means? A planet has become a gravitational dominant. That means it has to be large in the vicinity of other objects. In the path where it travels around the sun over billions of years, it has a property pulled either the smaller object towards itself or thrown them into a different orbits, or captured some as moons, converted some as moons, and broken them apart or otherwise removed them from its orbital path. So in the dominant properties irundadana, then it becomes what? It becomes a dwarf planet. So this has cleared its orbit of other objects. It has a separate orbits. In the orbits la matta objects edhu irukakudadu. As a result, there are no other large objects sharing the same orbital regions. For example, in the orbits of Pluto, actually Pluto shares the orbits of what? Neptune. So Neptune is the dominant there. Therefore, Pluto is no longer a planet. Okay, so these things are right. Okay. Now who is going to read this one? Any other questions? Yes, Subiksha. Yeah, read.
Interesting facts. Pluto was considered the 9th planet until 2006. NASA's New Horizons spacecraft flew past in 2015, providing detailed images and scientific data. Most dwarf planets are extremely cold because they are located far from Sun. Scientists believe there are many more dwarf planets in outer solar system that have not yet been officially recognized. Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet by International Astronomical Union (IAU) in 2006.
Okay. So NASA sent one mission that is called New Horizons. New Horizons flew near Pluto, and most dwarf planets are extremely cold. Why? Because they are
far from Sun.
Far away the fence. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system?
Venus.
Venus, sir.
Hottest planet in our solar system, Venus.
Venus.
Which is the nearest planet to Sun?
Mercury.
Mercury.
Okay. Wait. Right. Why, even though Mercury is closer to Sun, why Venus is hottest?
Sir Adi.
Yes.
Sir, actually, it's because Venus has clouds which actually trap the heat, sir. But Mercury
That's
does
called
not
what?
have an atmosphere, which doesn't have clouds, so it cannot trap the heat, sir.
Okay. The only reason is, so Mercury, there is no atmosphere in the Mercury. Venus is atmosphere. So as you said, atmosphere traps heat. See, in our atmosphere also. So see, Earth is habitable. Earth is habitable because of carbon dioxide. Earth is hot because of also carbon dioxide. Okay. So carbon dioxide has pros as well as cons. So without carbon dioxide or without greenhouse gases, Earth becomes water. Too
Too cold.
to live. Okay. Right. Now, who is going to read? Other.
Sir Sangamitra.
Any others? Pesadavanga. Only 3-4 persons are reading. What about others? Those who are attending the session.
Abhinidhi, sir.
Abhinidhi, read the question.
Which
and
of the
options.
following is okay, sir? Which of the
What
following
is the extent?
located
Not-
in the asteroid belt? Option A, Pluto. Option B, Eris. Option C, Ceres. Option D, Haumea.
Pluto.
What is it?
Sir, it's a series. Option C.
Which of the following dwarf planets located in the asteroid? Only I said asteroid. This is the nearest to the Earth also. So answer is what? Series. Okay, so this is the answer. C option. What does MCQ stands for? MCQ means what?
Multiple choice questions.
Multiple choice question.
So the answer is, I'll read the questions. Which characteristic distinguishes a dwarf planet from a planet? Answers.
Sir Adi.
It's not cleared its orbit of other objects.
Option
It has
C.
not cleared its orbit of other objects. So option C. So because of this is the main condition. Next question. Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet in which year?
2006.
2006.
So answer is 2006. 2006. And which spacecraft provided detailed image of Pluto in 2015?
New Horizons.
New Horizons. You know what is the meaning of horizon? Horizon.
Yes, sir. I know, sir.
Boundaries or ending lines.
Whenever you go to sea, you can see the horizon. So sea is the, tell me Adi.
Sir, horizon is the exact part where you can see the sun rising and setting.
Or you can say that it is the boundary between the sky and the earth. So when the sky meets the earth, so therefore this you can see, visualize only in the ocean. So if you go to the beach, then you can see the horizon. Okay. So from the horizon only sun appears to be rising as well as appears to be what? Setting. In the, so this is, actually sun is not appears and setting. It is because of earth is revolving around the sun. We feel. Can you match this? A corresponds to what?
A2.
A2. Sir,
A2.
B1. B1.
C4.
C4. D3. B3.
D.
3.
D3 or D4?
D3.
D3, sir.
I told you Aries, about Aries. We have seen about Aries. Discovery led to the definition of debate cave happens after which one? Which one discovered in 2005?
Aries.
Sir, also another one.
Okay, that's okay. But here, Aries. The discovery led to the definition of what? The term? Planet. Therefore, now match. What is C? So what is C? D?
D is to 4, C is to 3, sir.
So therefore, which option?
Option A.
Option A.
Option A. Consider the following statements. Answer the question. All dwarf planets orbit the sun. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Every dwarf planet has cleared its orbit.
No, sir.
No, sir.
A dwarf planet is nearly round in shape.
Yes, sir.
No or yes.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, what is the answer?
C.
1 and 3 only.
C option.
1 and 3. Consider the following statements about Pluto. Pluto has 5 known moons.
Yes, sir.
Pluto is located in the Pluto is located in the asteroid belt.
No, sir.
Pluto was discovered
No,
in
sir.
1930. Which is correct, which is incorrect?
Second is incorrect.
Sir,
Therefore, answer is what? 1 and
B.
3 only. Pluto is classified as a dwarf planet. Assertion. Assertions mean a statement. Reason. Why? Pluto has not cleared its orbit neighborhood of other objects. Correct? That is the reason. That is the reason. Because of this only, Pluto is classified as a dwarf planet. So, we can read like this. Pluto is classified as a dwarf planet because Pluto has not cleared its orbital neighborhood of other objects. Therefore, what is the answer?
Both A are true and R is the correct.
And also, which is the correct explanation. Sometimes correct explanation may not be there. In that case, you are supposed to option B. Answer mark B. What is the answer?
Sir, A is false but R is true.
A is false, R is true.
So,
D option.
what is?
Option D, sir. A is false but R is
Option
true.
This is closest, nearest. Which of the following is not one of the 5 officially recognized dwarf planets?
Europa.
Europe. Any idea what is Europe? Any idea what is Europa? Europa is a moon.
Sir, it's a moon of Jupiter.
It is what? It is one of the moon of Jupiter. Which is the largest moon of Jupiter?
Sir, Io.
Which is the largest moon of Saturn?
Sir, largest moon of Jupiter is Ganymede.
Ganymede. So the largest moon of
Sir, largest moon of Saturn is Titan.
That's all. So this you are supposed to know. For Saturn, Titan. The largest moon of Jupiter is Ganymede. Ganymede. G-A-N-Y-M-E-D. Please note down everything. This is very, very important. Next. What is NEET? What is NEET stands for? Because
National
for the last 1 week there was a protest to ban NEET examinations, and it is very difficult, highly impossible to ban the NEET examinations. So you're supposed to write the NEET examinations. So NEET examination is National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. NEET is a national level entrance examination conducted in India for admission to undergraduate medical courses. It is conducted by the National Testing Agency on behalf of the Government of India. So students,
Sir, I have a doubt.
yes.
Sir, what is meant by cum?
What is meant by?
C-U-M.
Cum means and. Very good. So this way you are supposed to learn each and everything. So whenever you have a doubt, you can ask me. Don't hesitate to ask me. Cum means and. Okay. So another word for and. So instead of saying national eligibility and entrance test, they use cum. Okay. Right. CUM. This is what type of word in English, in grammar? And this?
Conjunctions.
Conjunction.
Conjunction or interjection?
Conjunction.
Okay. So students wish to study MBBS, BDS, BAMS, BHMS, BSMS. So MBBS is popular. Can anyone tell me the abbreviation of MBBS?
Sir, what is
What
the
is
full form of-
MBBS? I'll explain others. First you tell me what is MBBS. MBBS means Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. Okay. BDS means Bachelor of what? Dental Surgery. BDS stands for what? Suppose if you assume that you are having a toothache, which doctor you go?
Dentist.
To which doctor? Dentist. Okay, dentist corresponds. Okay. You ask some questions. Someone asked the abbreviation. What is which abbreviation? Yara ketinglappa abbreviation.
Sir, what is
Okay.
the full form of BHMS?
BH?
BHMS.
Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine Surgery. I'll explain everything. All the systems. Homeopathic. Okay. Who is conducting the NEET examinations? Which is the body? National Testing Agency. What are the main objective of NEET? To provide single entrance examination for the medical exam admissions all over the India. Ensures uniform standard for admission into medical course. Reduce the need for students to appear for multiple entrance examinations. Promote transparency and fairness in the admission process. Okay. Second, study. Read.
NEET scores are used for admission to MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, BDS, Bachelor of Dental Surgery, BAMS, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery, BHMS, Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery.
Homeopathic. Okay.
BSMS, Bachelor of Siddha Medicine and Surgery. BUMS, Bachelor of Unani Medicine and Surgery. BVSC and AH, Veterinary courses subject to applicable regulations.
They are called, those who study BVSC are animal doctors. Pet. So, animal doctors study BVSC. What is BVSC stands for? Veterinary Sciences. Okay, next is BSc, read.
BSc, Nursing. In institutions where NEET scores are prescribed. Other medical and allied health courses as notified by the concerned authorities.
Okay. Next, who is going to read? Someone, some others, any new?
Abhiniti, sir.
Abhiniti, படிங்க ஏற்கனவே படிச்சிட்டீங்க, still read. Others wait, please. Okay, Abhiniti.
Okay, sir. Eligibility. A candidate should complete or be appearing in class 12, 10 plus 2 of a medical examination. Have studied
Wait. Hello?
and English.
From which place you are attending the session?
Sir,
From which place you are attending the session? Abhiniti has on the who is read. யார் படிச்சாப்ப?
Kallakurchi, sir.
கள்ளக்குறிச்சி. Okay. Net issue வாங்க.
Abhiniti.
இன்டர்நெட் இஷ்யூங்களா? உங்க வாய்ஸ்
Yes, sir.
வாய்ஸே
Yes,
கேட்கல.
sir.
எதை யூஸ் பண்றீங்க நீங்க? என்ன சர்வீஸ் ப்ரொவைடர்? ஜியோ ஆர் ஏர்டெல் ஆர் பிஎஸ்என்எல் ஆர் which one?
Geo.
Or broadband? Okay. Geo.
Geo.
Right. Geo. Okay. Right. So I have studied physics, chemistry, biology, English. So this is very important. So meet the eligibility criteria prescribed by the NTA and other and the relevant admission authorities. Okay. Examination pattern. So what is the examination pattern? It has total number of questions is 180. 4 subjects: physics, chemistry, botany, zoology. Each how many questions? 180 divided by 4 is what? 45, 45, 45, 45. Usually, but 1 mark questions, 2 mark questions are say there because, so therefore totally it is 45. So therefore the marks will be what? 45 into 4. For each question. So 45, 45, 45, 45. So 180 marks. For each question, how many marks? 4 marks in NEET. So this is a marking system. If your answer is correct, you will get 4 mark. If your answer is incorrect, you lose what? 1 mark. Unanswered means what? 0.
0.
Syllabus is, NEET syllabus is based on what? NCRT. That is CBSE. Our state board syllabus is also same, that even sometimes it is superior than CBSE syllabus. No need to worry about it.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in my computer books and all, they are writing NCE, NCF. What are the full form of those, sir?
NC?
NCE, NCF.
NCRT, simply NCF.
Yes, sir. They put a NCE and NCF.
NCE and NCF. One is NCF is okay. NCF is National Curriculum Framework. So you are studying in Metrica
Yes, sir.
or ICSE?
Sir?
ICSE.
Sir, I'm studying in matriculation, sir.
Okay. So this is called the National Curriculum Framework because normally the books content prepared by. So National Curriculum Framework, that is NCF. NCE stands for something like National Curve Equivalent. National Curve Equivalent. That is grading system. Okay. Now I can read the question. Answer the question. I'll read the question. What does NEET stands for?
National Eligibility Fund Entrance.
And are these asking questions through this one chapter? NEP. NEP is very important. NEP stands for New Economic Policy. It's a New Educational Policy. New Educational Policy 2020. So now everything, all your curriculum is based on a new, especially CBSE. CBSE is based on New Economic Policy. They are going to change the syllabus slowly. So what does NEET stands for? What is option? B.
B option.
B.
Sir, option
Which organization is conducting the examination?
National Testing Agency.
National Testing Agency. B option. Mathematics.
Which are the following subjects is not included in the NEET examination? So,
Mathematics.
physics, chemistry, mathematics is included in this examination, IIT Joint Entrance Examination for NEET, physics, chemistry and biology. Consider the following statements about NEET. NEET is conducted in offline, pen and paper mode. Please note that now it is conducted in offline mode. Soon they are going to change to, from next year onwards, online mode. NEET is mainly for admission into undergraduate medical courses. Correct? Correct. Every correct answer carries 4 marks. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what is that?
Yes, sir.
So answer is
All are correct. C option.
C. All are correct.
C option.
Next is current affairs. Hydrogen powered train. Have you read hydrogen first? Hydrogen
Yes, sir.
train
In
in India.
Spain, India, and
Haryana. Haryana.
Haryana. Very good. Haryana. Okay. Who said Haryana?
Abhinidhi, sir.
Abhiniti. Okay. Right. Anybody who is going to read now?
sir, Jagan Sai, sir.
Sir, Suvik.
You can வேற மத்தவங்க வர மாட்டீங்களே others new any new
Sir, Danishka.
read what is the problem in reading? You have options. You have yes, hydrogen
powered train. A hydrogen powered train is a train that uses hydrogen gas its fuel instead of a diesel. It produces electricity using a fuel cell to run the train's electric motors. Hydrogen powered train are considered an environmentally friendly alternate because they produce only water and heat during the operation. Main parts of hydrogen powered train. Hydrogen tank stores hydrogen gas under high pressure, supply hydrogen to the fuel cell. Fuel cell, the heart of the train, converts the hydrogen and oxygen into electricity. Battery stores extra electricity produced by the fuel cell, provides additional power during the acceleration and stores energy recovered during braking. Electric motor uses electricity to rotate the wheels and move the train. Water outlet releases water vapor or liquid waters, the only direct emission from the fuel cell.
very good okay. So they are environment friendly. What do you mean by environmentally friendly?
So they do not pollute.
Without hurting, without disturbing environment.
Does not pollute the atmosphere. Okay, so the no harmful gases are released during its operations. So it released only oxygen or byproducts are oxygen or water vapor only. So water vapor is not environmental unfriendly. Only water and heat are released. Okay. So this is hydrogen tank, then fuel cells, battery, electric motor, and water outlet. So this is how they are working. That's not what is the chemical reaction is hydrogen plus oxygen combined. We get electricity. Because of electricity runs the engine, and water plus heat is released.
Sir, what is meant by 2H2?
See, he says that Sundar says hydrogen is highly inflammable. What if fire catches the train? Not only hydrogen is highly inflammable, even diesel also highly inflammable. So therefore they protect. Safety system is very pakka. So they protect because very good. Hydrogen is highly inflammable. Hydrogen is inflammable with the help of water. Oxygen supports.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is your doubt?
Sir, what is 2H2?
2H2O means what? What is H2O?
Sir, hydrogen.
Water.
H2O is water.
Hydrogen.
So that, therefore this is what? 2 into H2O. What is, can anyone, I told you in the other classes, what is the chemical name of water?
Dihydrogen.
H2O, sir.
Hydrogen.
Chemical name.
Sir, dihydrogen monoxide.
Huh?
Dihydrogen monoxide.
Dihydrogen monoxide. So, you can go and ask at anybody's home, give me some dihydrogen monoxide. You are asking what? Water. Water is dihydrogen. That is systematic meaning. Dihydrogen monoxide. Why it is called monoxide?
Sir, only one oxygen
Only
molecule.
one. Hydrogen is 2, therefore di.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Alternative names, they will also call hydrogen oxide or hydrogen hydroxide. Yeah, what's your doubt?
Sir, in the equation it's 2H2, that means 4 hydrogen molecules.
No. So this is to balance the equations. The equation here 2H2. So 2H2 means how many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen. So here also 4. So therefore it balances. Here 2H2 means 2H2, 2O. 2O also 2. Therefore O2 also balanced with O. So no need to worry about it. That we'll see later. Can anyone read advantages? Produces no carbon dioxide while running. Quieter than diesel trains. helps reduce air pollution and also noise pollution. Can operate on railway lines without overhead electric wires not needed. Uses renewable hydrogen when available, because hydrogen is available plenty. Where hydrogen is available?
Extracted from water or available in the air.
Available in our atmosphere. Which gas is the most? Which gas is present most in the atmosphere?
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen. Okay. Right. Challenges. Hydrogen fuel is currently expensive to produce. That's some of the challenges. Hydrogen refueling stations are limited. High pressure storage tank requires advanced safety measures and also highly inflammable. And building hydrogen infrastructure requires significant investment also. Okay. Facts. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe. And fuel cells generate electricity without burning hydrogen. Hydrogen power trains are especially useful on railway lines that are not electrified. Several countries including Germany, China, France, Italy and India are developing testing hydrogen powered electricity. India's first hydrogen powered trains were recently a few days back in Sindh and Sonpet in Haryana in the northern railway zone. Distance of about 89 kilometers. Developed by Indian Railways, and the train sets, the bogies, everything is manufactured by ICF. Where is ICF is located? What is ICF stands for? ICF stands for Integral Coach Factory in Chennai. With the distinct support from research, designs and standard organizations RDSO. So capacity 2,600 passengers, 10 coach train sets and 75 km per hour. Right, answer?
Sir, 2026.
26. India's first hydrogen powered passenger train operates on which route? Sonipat. Match the following.
Hydrogen fuel water.
Sir, Jintu Soni. C is to 1, sir.
C is 1.
Sir, option A.
Option
A is to 4. B is
Option
to 2.
A.
C is to 1. B is to 3.
Yeah. So whenever you answer, you can check other options also. Simply by matching only one option, don't answer the option in a hurry. Okay, right. All are correct or verified. Hydrogen powered trains use fuel cells to produce electricity. The direct emission of a hydrogen powered train is mainly water. Hydrogen powered train use diesel as their primary fuel. Correct?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Option C.
Option 1 and 2 only.
1 and 2 only. Excellent. Hydrogen powered trains are considered environmental friendly. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They generate electricity using hydrogen fuel cells and produce water as the main direct emission. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, environmental friendly.
Option A, sir.
Okay, so in the last week also we have seen some in numeracy and reasoning. We have discussed these things, number system and other things, place value till Roman numerals. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is 50? For 50, what is the Roman numeral?
L.
L. For 100?
C.
C. For 500?
D.
For 1000?
M.
Millennium. Century. LCD. So next, what are the basic operations in maths? Basic operations. You know the
Subtraction.
Addition, subtraction, multiplication,
division,
and division. Okay, so these you know that. So how to use this in especially board mass related problems? Board mass related problems. First, you have to evaluate anything within the bracket.
Yes, sir.
Second, you have to order or off or power. Power means what? 3 squared means you have to first evaluate 3 squared power. Then division. After division only multiplication. After multiplication only addition. After addition only subtraction. Okay. So now I am going to give you a problem. Everyone try to solve. Take your note, solve on the paper and answer the question. Answer this. Okay. Right.
Sir, one doubt, sir. Sir, what is the difference between bit mass and board mass?
Bit mass and board mass are same. I said half means power also. Therefore, they use I means indices. So indices means power. So 2 squared can be written as order or indices. So both are same only. Okay. So 3 plus 5 into 8 divided by 2 minus 2 7 into 4. What is the answer? Do systematically.
Sir, 118.
118. Paklam. What about others? Maybe this problem may be big for someone, some others. First you have to do bracket. What is 7 into 4?
Sir, 28.
28. So I'll do step by step. I'll do step by step. 2 bracket means 2 into 28. Correct? Okay. Next is division. Divide 8 divided by 2. So what is 8 divided by 2?
4.
4.
8 by
Minus 2 into 28. Okay. Next is multiplication. From left to right, I can say. So this is 3 plus, what is 4 into 2? 5 into 4?
20.
20. Minus, what is 2 into 28?
56.
56.
6. Now, what is, this is 20? 3 minus 56. So what is the answer?
Minus 33.
Minus 30.
23 or 33?
Minus 30.
Minus 23.
So the answer is minus 33. Can I do one more sum?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I give one more sum? Okay. Right.
Yes, sir.
Take this sum. This is relatively easier. You can do. Take your time, do, but without mistake. Even if it is a mistake also, no problem. You learn only by mistakes. But everyone try to solve this problem. Don't wait for my answer.
Sir, minus 20.
Okay, one answer is minus 20. We'll see what about others. One answer. Option A is minus 20. Any other answer?
9.
9. Any other answer? You tell your answer honestly. Answer may not be correct. No problem.
Minus 4.
Answer சொன்னீங்கனாலே நீங்க மேத்ஸ் கத்துக்கிறீங்கன்னு அர்த்தம். D. Answer may not be correct. Tell your answer. உங்களுக்கு வர ஆன்சரை சொல்லுங்க.
38.
No problem. I'll solve, then you'll verify என்ன mistake பண்ணீங்கன்னு பார்க்கலாம். Which one we have to solve first?
Sir, brackets.
Huh?
Brackets.
Brackets.
Sir.
What is 120 minus 12?
108, sir.
108. Okay. 108 divided by, what is 36 divided by 3?
12.
12. Okay, right. Minus 22 plus what? 7.
7,
Okay, right. Now division you have to do. What is 108 divided by 12? How many?
9. 9 times.
9. 9 minus 22 plus 7.
Sir,
This
it's
is the,
minus 38, sir.
so what is 9 plus 7?
16.
16 minus 22. What is 16 minus 22?
Minus 6.
Hmm?
Minus.
The answer is minus 6. None of them. Understood? Or you can do this also. What is 9 minus 22? What is 9 minus 22?
Sir, minus 12.
Sir,
Negative 13.
Minus 13.
Minus 13. What is minus 13 plus 7?
Sir, minus.
So what is the answer for this question?
Minus 6.
Minus answer. Yeah, யாருமே answer பண்ணல. என்ன mistake பண்ணீங்க? Can I give one more question so that everyone answer this question?
Yes, sir.
Do slowly without mistake. 5 into 12 divided by 10 minus bracket.
4. 4. 4.
Everyone is getting
Sir,
4.
4. 4.
Very good. Everyone is getting the same answers. We'll see. Okay. First is this one. So this is 5 into 12 divided by 10 minus, what is 6 into 4?
24.
24. Divided by 12.
24.
So this is division. What is this? First we have to divide. What is this divide? What is this division?
2, sir.
This is 2. So therefore this is minus 2. This is 5 into 12 divided by 10.
1.2.
12 by 1.2 is to 5. So therefore that is also what? 6. So 6 minus 2. So 6 minus 2 is what? 4. 4 everyone? Yeah. So 4 is the answer. Okay. Right. Okay. So for next week topic is digital divide. So
Sir, what is digital divide?
you know the gender divide. What is gender divide? There is a gap in, some people have access to modern information technology. It is not equally everyone is able to access the digital. On today's session, that also you are supposed to write online. online test. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Thank you.